Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Ledger to MetaMask for signing DeFi transactions, full guide step by step clearly. Connect your Ledger device to your computer using a USB cable. Ensure the Ledger Live application is installed on your computer and open it. Make sure your Ledger device is unlocked and on the home screen. In Ledger Live, navigate to the Manager section. Install the Ethereum app from the app catalog if it is not already installed on your Ledger device. Now, open the MetaMask extension in your browser. Click on the account icon at the top right corner of the MetaMask interface. Select the Connect Hardware Wallet option from the drop-down menu. Choose Ledger from the list of hardware wallets that appears. Click the Connect button to initiate the connection. MetaMask will scan for your Ledger accounts. Select the Ethereum account you wish to connect, then click Next. MetaMask will prompt you to link the account, so click Connect. Remember to switch the network to Ethereum mainnet if needed. To sign a DeFi transaction, navigate to your desired DeFi platform. Choose the action you want to perform, like swapping tokens or providing liquidity. Confirm the details of the transaction before proceeding. MetaMask will prompt you to connect your Ledger for signing. Ensure your Ledger device is connected and unlocked. Confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by reviewing the details. Once confirmed on your Ledger, the transaction will be signed automatically. Finally, revert back to MetaMask to see the transaction status and await confirmation on the blockchain. Your Ledger is now successfully connected to MetaMask for signing DeFi transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.